COP26 is the conference of the parties. It's the 26th time it's been held, and it's the United Nations Global Climate Change Conference. The conference has been attended by 120 world leaders.
Over the COP26 event, we have supported 7 customers, over 14 sites and over 150 miles of range. We have engaged in 4 major activities. The first one with Atalian Servest, which their requirement was a designed, build and maintain facility for over 300 police officers. The second facility was with Stadium Management, where we managed one of the largest EV charging networks, which could cope with over 120 EV cars at any time.
So we did this by providing 3 satellite sites around Glasgow with AC charging. And then here at the COP26, we provided a DC charging solution at the HCP car park. So just like the G7, it's important to deliver a fully sustainable solution. So for that, we've gone to HVO again. So all the machines run on HVO. In addition to that, we've brought here 4 of the latest generators to the Sunbelt fleet, the 500 kVA Fuztech Stage 5 generators. And at 1 metre, they produce 72 dB of sound, probably making them the cleanest, the greenest and the quietest generators in the UK at present.
The third operation that we have managed is for Identity. Now, Identity are the main production company. We have managed and maintained all of the equipment, the telehandlers, the electric telehandlers and all the equipment down on site for this production. And then the fourth, for Identity at the Kelvin Grove Museum, our brief as Sunbelt 360 was to design, install an uninterrupted power supply to the live feed, which was to be broadcasted across the world.
We've also provided solar tower lights to all the sites that we've been involved with. And last but not least, electric bikes, which on this event are also being used by the United Nations team.
So Stadium Management's role within the event has been design the venue transport plan for the FCDO, plus also the EV charging solution which has supported the EV vehicles for the event. So during the procurement process, Stadium Management looks for various suppliers and partners that have got excellent ESG credentials. Sunbelt Rentals were our go-to solution related to this. It was key for us related to the EV charging project that we had. One of the key things for Stadium Management is data. With Sunbelt Rental solution, with the generators and the EV charging solution, is they are very data centric. So this allows us to collate the data and the reports that we can then send on to the Foreign Office to show the success of the EV charging solution.